I was 24 years old. Just one more year to complete my degree. I was bright, confident, educated. Not a flake who goes out and gets pregnant as if I don't know where babies come from. So how could I have been in that position? It was a Wednesday. I remember because a group of friends and I went on a wine tasting excursion on the previous weekend. It was amazing. Of course, we tried all the little samples, then brought a bottle of our favorites and drank them in the hotel. We had a blast. Keep thinking about that weekend over and over. We got back on a Monday night. I went for the appointment on Wednesday. I was still feeling ill, but I had been having some issues for a while, so that was the reason for the checkup. When my doctor gave me the news, I remember feeling that strange cold sensation. You know the one? When you hear news that you can't quite process? 10 weeks pregnant. Adoption was really my only option. I was not ready to raise a child or to terminate. I kept thinking about that weekend. I didn't know. When I met with the agency, I was able to identify the type of situation I wanted for my child, and they told me they had a perfect match for my requests. I didn't identify any family history of health concerns or other issues. I was a mature, responsible, well-educated woman who made a mistake. You know, there's times I forgot. For a while. Times I didn't think about my secret. But at night, before I went to sleep, or sometimes when I was driving or watching a movie, I knew what could happen when a woman drinks alcohol during pregnancy. I didn't know that weekend or the weeks before. I was a student like all the others. When the envelope came with the agency's label, I had that feeling again. Cold. I knew. They said they were sorry to have to contact me, but that there were some problems. Issues. Could I take a few minutes and try to recall if I had consumed any alcohol during my pregnancy? It could make a huge difference. It looked like Fetal Alcohol Spectrum Disorder. They even included a detailed description, as if I needed it. If they could confirm alcohol consumption during pregnancy, and they could get a diagnosis of FASD, services would be available. I didn't know. I hope they don't hate me. I thought that maybe someday we could meet, like in that movie. But once they know, maybe that won't happen. At least not like in the movie.